Dating Pangulong Gloria Arroyo bawal umalis ng Pilipinas at mga bagong stipulasyon sa removal proceedings. News, travel, and immigration updates for you as Kababayan LA starts right now. Installment naman ng Manny Pacquiao versus Juan Manuel Marquez ay magaganap sa Sabado. Ilang tulog na lang po yan at magaganap sa Las Vegas. Today on the show, we also have news for you about Manny Pacquiao. Dumating na po siya sa Las Vegas. Ang kanya pong grand arrival ay naganap kahapon. At meron siyang sinabi, kahit na he's looking forward to this fight against Juan Manuel Marquez, there's a fight that he's not really looking forward to as much or he's not very hopeful about as well. We're going to be talking about that right now sa ating mga balita. Ronnie Ligo, Editor-in-Chief of Midweek and Weekend Balita, masipag na nagkakalap ng mga balita at naghahatid sa atin ng mga balita sa Kababayan LA tuwing Lunes at Miyerkules. Magandang Miyerkules ng hapon sa iyo, mga kababayan, at sa iyo, Ronnie.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo. Excited na ba kayo para sa Sabado? Lahat ho tayo ngayon ay nag-aabang ng Manuel Marquez at Manny Pacquiao fight the third time around ngayon pong Sabado.
Finally, trying to settle the score or close the chapter of this book, according to Freddie Roach. But we're going to be talking about that in just a little while. Ronnie, sa ulo ng mga balita, itong si dating Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, bawal daw umalis ng Pilipinas.
Oo, no, the last letter natanggap ng Justice Secretary Leila de Lima, October 24, itong si Presidente Gloria Arroyo ng ngayon ay congressman from Pampanga, ay gusto niyang lumipad because she wants to see specialist daw para sa kanyang, a rare bone disease sa kanyang spine. Ngayon, ang sinasabi ng gobyerno natin, mukhang delikado yata kasi alam naman natin na marami siyang mga charges, mga criminal charges because of corruption sa kanyang gobyerno noon, that she might be a flight risk at baka hindi na nga bumalik.
Okay, totoo bang may sakit? We're showing a picture of her, but I know that I saw this also on the internet at sinabi na ito raw ay nirelease ng kampo ni dating Pangulo at ngayon nga ay kongresista na si Arroyo para ipakita na talagang may sakit siya.
Oo, no. Ang kaso naman, ang sinasabi naman ng Health Department natin, Health Secretary, nung sinasabing in-evaluate siya, mukhang she's doing okay. And actually, even President Noynoy Aquino said that we will bring in the specialists if that's what you need. No, hindi mo kailangan umalis. Kasi ang concern ng bayan natin, yung kanyang request daw, she wants to go to countries where we don't have, wala tayong extradition treaties dito sa mga bansa na ito, gaya ng Germany, ng Italy, ng Spain, Austria, although except for Switzerland na gusto niya rin pumunta roon. Pero yun ang concern ng ating Justice Department. Baka nga hindi siya bumalik at hindi natin ma-request sa mga bayan na ito para pabalikin siya to face the charges.
Ayan, medyo nakakabahala nga ang mga balita. Pero alam ko kagabi sa Twitter, and that is Wednesday afternoon in the Philippines, napakaraming nag-react sa sinabi ni Pangulong Noynoy naman na dadalhin ang espesyalista sa Pilipinas for former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Siyempre, hindi rin naman yun gusto ng mga kababayan natin na bakit ang pamahalaan ang gagastos ng paglipad at pagbayad dyan sa espesyalista na yan para matignan siya sa Pilipinas.
Totoo yan, siyempre, of course, pag sinasabi natin taxpayers money, ang dami-dami natin mga kababayan, na naghihirap, na kailangan ng healthcare, hindi ma-afford ng gobyerno. Ito ay Presidente Gloria Arroyo, the former president. Alam naman natin na marami siyang resources, financial resources. Why does the country, the Philippines, have to spend for her medical needs?
Alright. Ngayon, hindi makakalipad si Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, pero napakarami namang mga kababayan ng lilipad para panoorin si Manny Pacquiao nitong narating na Sabado sa Las Vegas. Ronnie, handa na ang lahat para sa Manny Pacquiao, Juan Manuel Marquez Part 3. Pero mukhang sinasabi ni Manny, dahil lahat ng tao gusto pa rin kalabanin niya si Mayweather, parang hindi na very optimistic si Manny tungkol dyan.
Oo nga, hanggat na naghahanda nga si Manny Pacquiao para sa Sabado, where he promised, I think this will be the last hurrah as far as Juan Manuel Marquez is concerned. Sinasabi nga niya ni Manny Pacquiao, he wants to end this dispute kung meron man kasi nga kiniklaim ni Juan Manuel Marquez nanalo daw siya nung the first two fights na supposedly draw, no? Draw talaga yon. Tapos yung pangalawa naman split decision na panalunan ni Manny Pacquiao. Ang issue kahapon nung dumating siya sa Las Vegas, of course, ang lahat ng tinatanong ng mga journalists is there going to be a Manny Pacquiao-Floyd Mayweather fight? 6 days ago, si Floyd Mayweather, nagsasabi siya na May 5 daw gusto niyang lumaban uli. And apparently, yung kanyang advisor na si LRB ay sinasabing Mayweather is ready to face the biggest fight na gusto nga lahat ng natin ay si Manny Pacquiao nga. Pero of course, ang sabi nga ni Manny Pacquiao ay pagod na siya dyan. He's tired of that Floyd Mayweather issue. Hindi naman niya kailangan kalabanin yan. Kung ayaw ni Mayweather, wala siyang magagawa at hindi matutuloy yung laban na yan.
This started because of the news that Mayweather actually reserved the MGM for May 5, 2012. And last Saturday, Juan Manuel Marquez had a media day sa Santa Anita Park. And I was there. I got to talk to Bob Arum kasi siyang promoter, no? At sinabi ni Bob na, look, if Mayweather really wants to fight Manny, all he needs to do is call me, call us, and we'll sit down and talk about it. He needs to sign a contract. It can't be like this na magre-reserve siya on his own. Pagkatapos, i-announce niya that he has reserved a fight and a date for the fight. And there's some news saying na parang nagbitiw din ng salita ata si Bob Arum na ang gusto raw atang kalabanin nitong si Mayweather ay si Eric Morales for May 5, 2012. Also, you know what? Last training day of Manny at the Wildcard Gym last Monday, binisita siya ni Oscar De La Hoya. And even Oscar De La Hoya said that it was going to be a good fight this Saturday. Finally, they will settle the score. But then at the same time, sinabi ni Oscar, ito namang si Juan Manuel Marquez, ang mga nakakalaban niya after Manny was mga so-so fighters. Whereas si Manny, puro mga champions ang talagang kinalaban at tinalo. So we're gonna see a good fight hopefully this Saturday. Ronnie, ikaw, prediction mo. Alam ko you've been covering boxing.
Oh, of course, nakikinig naman tayo lagi sa kanyang trainer na si Freddie Roach, ang kanyang coach. Sinabi nga, within 6 rounds yata, mananakaw si Manny Manuel Marquez. Alam naman natin, lahat ng sinabi ni Freddie Roach for the last, 5-6 fights, lahat yata ay sigurado at alam naman natin, lahat almost everyone was knocked out kung hindi man talagang bugbog dito kay Manny Pacquiao. At
nagbitiw din ng salita si Buboy Fernandez. I got to talk to him last Monday before they left for Las Vegas and he said the fight is not gonna be finished, na walang tutumba. May tutumba. And medyo alam na natin, medyo inaasahan natin na si Manny ang magpapatumba kay Juan Manuel Marquez. Meanwhile, Ronnie, very quickly because we're running out of time, sad news naman para sa fight fans, Joe Frazier.
Alam naman natin in 1975, Trilla in Manila, the third fight between Muhammad Ali and Joe Frazier. Joe Frazier died, he was 67. So lahat tayo ngayon nagmumorn kasi alam naman natin napakaganda ng laban na yan. That was the last fight ng dalawa na considered demigods of boxing history.
Alright, nakikiramay po tayo sa pamilya ng mga naiwan ni Joe Frazier, boxing legend at talaga naman pong hinahangaan nating mga kababayan. For now, Ronnie, thank you so much for sharing those stories with us. We're gonna check out online, Midweek at Weekend Balita, also www.balita.com. More power to you, Ronnie Ligo. That was Ronnie Ligo, Editor-in-Chief of Midweek and Weekend Balita. Magbabalik pa po kami. Immigration update naman tayo when we return. Don't go away.